happy New Year's Day to you all.
Was January 1st always New Year's Day? Roman King Numa Pompilius, who reigned circa 715 to 673 BC, revised the Roman calendar to replace January with March as the first month of the Roman calendar. This was not made the official start of the Roman year until 153 BC. In the 5th century AD, following the fall of Rome, many Christian countries changed their calendar to reflect their religion and celebrated New Year's Day on March 25th, also the Feast of the Annunciation, and did not begin to follow the Gregorian Calendar until 1752 AD. So, what will your New Year's resolution be in 2022? We ask God to grant you the fruit of the Spirit: love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness and self-control this year. Remember, only 8% of people keep their New Year's resolutions.
Well, enjoy the holiday. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit us at yourhealth120.com.